Students, in continuation with the operation on a fraction, today we'll see one of the very interesting activity, that is the Ramanujan magic square. So here it is, the Ramanujan magic square. If you see here, in these boxes inside some numbers are written: 22, 12, 18, here 17. So many numbers are written here. Okay, and in that number inside, what is the magic is hidden, that we will see today. So first of all, they told you add the four numbers in the rows. Okay, so here it is rows. As you know that the horizontal rows are there and vertical columns are there. So if we add these numbers, if you add the numbers in the rows, then we will see what is the sum of 2 plus 2, 8, 4, 4 plus 8, 12, and 12 plus 7 is equal to 9. Okay, so here it is 9. Otherwise you do the sum of 22, 12, 18 and 87. Its sum is how much it is there? 139. If you do the sum of this all, you will get the answer 139. So 139. Okay. Now if you do the sum of 88, 17, 9 and 25, its sum is also 139. Okay. Now next it is 10, 24, 89 and 16. If you do the sum of these numbers also, its sum is 139, and same way 19, 86, 23 and 11, its sum is also 139. Okay, so if you do the sum of this all horizontal rows, you will get the answer, that is 139. Okay, now next it is along with the diagonals. Okay, so diagonal study if we do, addition if we will do, so 22, this 22 plus 17, then plus 89 plus 11. Okay, if you do the sum, you will notice that its sum is also 139. So this is there, this sum is also how much it is there? 139. Okay, next we will do the sum of this diagonal 87, 9, 24 and 19. 24 and 19. So here you will notice that what we had done, the horizontal rows sum is how much it is there? 139. Okay, sum of rows is equal to 139. Sum of diagonal, we seen that it is also how much it is? 139. Now we will do the sum of 87, 9, 24 and 19. If you do the sum of this, you will get the sum is how much? That is 139. So this sum is equal to also, so rows sum is 139, diagonal sum is also 39, and we if we do the sum of vertical columns, columns we will do the sum. So if you do the sum of this, you will notice that here what is there? 22 plus 88 plus 10. Okay, this sum we are doing now, 22, 88, 10 and 19. Then you will notice that its sum is also how much? 139. Okay, is it magic now? So if you do the columns addition also, it is also 139. Okay, you will today you have to do this and see. Okay, and next what is the sum every time? What is the sum every time? The sum is here, what is the sum? 139 is the sum. Is the same every time? Yes, it is same. Okay, look at what is the peculiarity. Means every time when we are adding the numbers in vertical, horizontal or diagonally, then every time what we are getting, the sum is same, and that is the peculiarity. Means you just add the number in this diagonally, you add the numbers what vertically and the horizontally. If horizontally also same, vertical addition is also same. So this is the magic square done by whom? The Dr. Srinivas Ramanujan. He is a great mathematician, okay, and he done this in he done this magic square. Okay, now what is they told you? If you see here in this, here 22, 12, 80, 18, 80, 89, 87. So what they told you, this we have to find out what is the peculiarity of this date. So if you find it, then you will if you search, then you will get this is the birth date of Dr. Srinivas Ramanuj. Okay, so great mathematician, that is Srinivasan Ramanuj is then, that his birth date is 22nd of December 1887. So he made this magic square by his birth date. Okay, you know that. Did you like to make this make such a type of a magic square of your birth date? So okay, you are interested? Yes. So we will see how to make the magic square of your own birth date. Okay, so first of all, what I will do here, I will show you how to make the this magic column magic square of my birth date. Okay, so we have to write our birth date. So I will write my birth date here. My birth date is 15/8/1981. Okay, that is my birth date. Okay, 15/8/1981. You also write your birth date in this way. Here you have to write the date. Here at first column you have to write your date. Second column inside you have to write the what is your month of the year, month in which you born. Here you have to write the in which century, and here you have to write the what year that you have born. Now next in the second column, here in this inside, what we have to do, in your year inside, which is your mine year is 81, year inside we have to add 1. So 81 plus 1, 82. Okay, 81 plus 1, that is 82. So here it is, I will write 82. Year inside 1 you have to add, and here write 82. Next here in second inside, this box inside, you have to century, your birth century. My century is 19, and inside it's I have to subtract 1. So 19 minus 1 is equals to, here it is 18. Okay, 18. Next third box is there. Here I have to write the month. What is my month? Here what I told you, it is date. It is date. This is the date. So months minus 3. So this is my month. Month minus 3 is equal to how much? 8 minus 3 is equals to how much it is there? 5. Okay, and last box is there. There what I have to do, in my date of birth I have to add 3. Okay, so if I will add 3 in 15, I will get it here 18. In this way you have to fill this box. Okay, next in third row inside, what I have to do, I have to do here. Now in the third row here I have to do month minus 2. So my month is 8th month. Okay, month minus 2 means how much it is there? 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. Now here second box inside I have to write date plus 2. So how much it is? 15, and 15 plus 2 is equals to here 17. Okay, now in third box I have to write year plus 2. So my year is 81, and 81 plus 2 is the 83. Okay, now in fourth box I have to write century minus 2. So my century is 19. 19 minus 2 is equals to, here it is 17. Okay, now if in fourth row I have to write here century plus 1. So 19 is here, my century is 19 plus 1 is equals to 20. Okay, then in this box I have to write year minus 1. So 81 minus 1 is equals to 80. Okay, 81 minus 1 is equals to 80. Now here in third box I have to write date plus 1. So my date is 15. 15 plus 1 is equals to 16. Okay, and in last box I have to write month minus 1. So my month is 8 and 8 minus 1 is the 7. So in this way I will fill this box. Okay, now what I have to do now, here now what I will do, I will add all the numbers from this row. So I will got the sum of this all each row is 123. Sum of each row is 123. Okay, if I will add 82, 18, 55 and 18, its sum is also 123. Means all horizontal rows are there, its sum is equals to 123. 6 plus 17 plus 83 plus 17 is equals to how much? 123. Here 20 plus 80 is equal to 100. 100 plus 16 is equal to 116. 116 plus 7 is equal to 123. In this way, if I had done the addition of this all vertical horizontal rows, then its sum is how much it is there? 123. Now if I will add here 15 plus 82, this 15 plus 82, then here it is 97 plus 6 is equals to is 103, and 103 plus 20 is equal to 123. Means columns addition is equals to how much it is there? Columns addition, this vertical columns are there, its addition is also how much it is there? 123. Okay, now I will do the addition of the what? The diagonals. Okay, so here if I will add this, if you will add this, I will show you 15 plus 18 diagonally, this diagonally I am adding 15 plus 18 plus 83, 15 plus 18 plus 83 plus 7. You will notice that 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. So 3 I will write here. 2 is carry. 8 plus 2, 10, 11, 12. So 123. So this this columns addition is equal to how much I got it here? 123. So this is diagonally, one diagonal also 123. Now I will show you the what? Addition of the this its diagonal. Okay, now I will do the addition of this diagonal. Okay, so see here, first of all, which numbers I have to add here? This 81. First I will take 81. Then 5 plus 5 plus 17 and plus 20. Okay, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 4 and 8 plus 4 is equal to 123. So this diagonals addition is equal to how much is there? 123. So here I made the, so if you see here, if I had done the addition of this all, addition, diagonal is also how much it is there? 123. Then afterwards vertical columns one addition I will show you, and the horizontals also I will show you. So here I will add this first, I had not shown you. So 15 plus 8 plus 19 plus 81 is equal to how much is the addition? 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 5, 23, 2 I will write here, 8 plus 2, 10, 11, 12. So how much is the addition? 123. Okay, now we will see the next box, that is 82, 18, 5 and 8. 82, 18, 5 and 8. So here 82 plus 18 plus 5 and plus 18. Okay, so 8, 8, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 5, 23, 2 carry 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is also 123. Now I will show you any one box from the any one horizontal column I will show you now. So here 15 plus 82 plus 6 and plus 20. This addition I will show you. So 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13, 1 carry 2 3, 8 9 10 11 and 12, 123. So this addition is also 123. So in this way you can make your own birth dates, this magical square. So today's your work is that you have to make this magical square and you have to send me. So then I will show you the box which shows the how to make this box. Okay, so here it is the box magic squares trick is given here. So by using this trick, what we have to do, you have to make your own magical square of your own birthday. So here DD, here DD for DD is the date, MM is the month. Okay, so use this and you just make DD for date. Just I told you my birth date was 15 8 1981. So here DD means 15 is my date, month is 8, CC means century means 19th century and year is 81. In this way, year inside 1 you have to add, century is -1, month -3, date plus 3. If you add this in this way and put the values here, you will get your birth date's magic square. So year plus 1 is equal to how much? 81 plus 1, 82. Century minus 1, 18. Okay, month minus 3 is equals to 5. Date plus 3 is equals to 18. So here next box, month minus 2. Month is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6 here. Date plus 2 is equals to how much? 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Year plus 2 is equal to 81 plus 2 is equal to 83. Century plus minus 2 means 19 minus 2 is equals to how much it is there? 17. Okay. CC plus 1 means century plus 1 is equal to, here it will get CC plus 1 means 19 plus 1 is equals to, here it is 21. Then next here year minus 1 is equals to 80. Then here what is written? Date plus 1. So date plus 1 is equal to here 16. DD plus 1 is there here. DD plus 1. Here you can't see. And here MM minus 1. MM minus 1 means month minus 1 is equals to, here it is 7. In this, if you fill the box, you will get your magic square of your own date. So today we will stop here only. Okay, all of you try this. It is very interesting and we will stop here only. Okay, so thank you.